Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for joining me for another weekly video. I post new videos every Monday, and this week's recipe, Nutella cake. Tender vanilla cake, Nutella buttercream, chopped hazelnuts with Nutella ganache fills this layered, delicious cake. The full recipe will be listed below. Let's get started. Starting off with 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. Go ahead and give that a nice mix in your stand mixer with a paddle attachment, and then increase the speed and let it go for about 5 minutes. While the butter is beating for 5 minutes, sift 2 cups of powdered sugar really well. This is important when you're making cakes. Add the powdered sugar to the butter mixture in batches, and then begin at a slow speed, increasing for 3 minutes to get some air into it. Next, equal parts Nutella and simmering heavy cream, 1 cup each. Go ahead and let that sit until it melts the chocolate. Mix very well to combine until you have a pourable mixture. 1/3 goes aside for the buttercream. So continuing with the buttercream, 1/4 cup cocoa powder. And then you want to go ahead and start mixing on a low speed to incorporate the cocoa powder, touch of vanilla, really good vanilla extract, and that chocolate hazelnut ganache. You could use heavy cream, but I like to add that hazelnut flavor here, hence Nutella cake, Nutella buttercream. Again, the entire measurements will be listed below. Place it into a separate container and chill for about 30 minutes. Chopping up some whole hazelnuts here with some chocolate, milk chocolate and dark chocolate is my preference. Give them a nice rough chop and place them into a container and set aside. Now I've already baked and cooled vanilla cake 2 rounds, and I'm placing a little bit of buttercream around the edge to catch that chocolate hazelnut ganache that I'm about to pull right here. So that Nutella ganache goes right into the center. It's so delicious. Definitely worth a try. I mean, I'm calling all Nutella lovers, right? So yeah, a little bit of chopped hazelnuts goes there. Next layer, top off with major portion of that buttercream. Buttercream has chilled a little, has a heftier texture, and then I have wax paper around the side here so that when I pull it out, the cake comes out nice and clean. So spreading with an offset spatula, spread to the edges. This is as fancy as you want to get. I'm going for kind of a swirly, swoopy, but you can go ahead and give nice clean lines. The preference is yours. And I've placed some wax paper at the bottom here, on which I will go ahead and pull out, and it just gives me a nice clean plate when I'm finished decorating. At this point, I like to go ahead and alternate milk and dark chopped hazelnuts around the outside. I like this because it just, I don't know, it just looks pretty. You can decorate however you like. This is no right or wrong way to do this. I'm sprinkling a little bit of the chocolate hazelnuts. You can use sprinkles, whatever your preference is. Go ahead and chill it for a little bit before you slice into it. And that's what your cake's gonna look like, sliced with that chocolate hazelnut running through. And then in fact, when I slice the cake, I like to pour a little bit of that remaining chocolate hazelnut ganache onto the slices of cake. Tender vanilla cake, fluffy buttercream, chopped hazelnuts, an absolute must try. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with another new video. Bye for now.